Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll create two subplots that share the same x-axis. The first subplot should be a bar chart showing the average monthly temperatures, and the second subplot should be a line chart showing monthly rainfall. Label each subplot appropriately. Months, now this will be the shared x-axis. Months will be the shared x-axis between average temperature as well as the rainfall. Okay. So basically you will get two graphs, one below the other. Okay. So bar chart below line chart, something like that. So first let's start with the coding part. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Then the data that we have we can use directly. So month equal to, these are the months. Then temperatures equal to, these are the temperatures. And rainfall equal to, these are the rainfall values. Okay. And for the first subplot, so we'll create subplots using the plt dot subplots. The, now we want two rows and one column, one below the other because they will share the same axis, x-axis. So two rows, one column, 2 comma 1, and we'll set figure size equal to, let's say, 8 comma 8, and we want to share the x-axis, so we'll say share x equal to true. Share x equal to true, and this will result in a tuple fig comma axis, figure comma axis equal to plt dot subplots. Okay, now for the first subplot, the upper one will be the bar chart, let's say. So axis 0 dot bar, months on the x-axis, temperatures on the y-axis, and let's say color equal to magenta, and we'll set a title 0 dot set title. Yeah, plt dot title, and when we are working with access, we say set title. So set title, this is average monthly temperature. Okay, and then we'll set y label. So axis 0 dot set y label. For the plot from object, like for when we use the plt directly, we say plt dot y label, but when we are working with the axis, we say axis 0 dot set y label. There we say temperature in Celsius. Okay. Now for the line chart. So axis 1 dot plot, because it's a line chart. So plot, months will be on the x-axis, rainfall will be on the y-axis, and we'll set some marker. So marker equal to x, let's say, or we can set it to, set triangles. Okay, we can set it to triangle. It's not mentioned in the question, so nothing more is needed actually. We can also use legend over here just to make it more attractive. So label equal to say rainfall, and let's say color equal to say cyan, cyan color. So then we'll set title, set title as monthly rainfall, X label as months, Y label as rainfall in millimeters, and we also want to add legend, and then plt.show. Now there is another option that we have, which we could have used in the previous program as well. That is plt.tight layout. So it automatically optimizes the spaces between the different plots and all. Okay, it adjusts the two plots nicely within the entire figure. Okay, so let's see how the output looks like. So here we have the rainfall, average monthly temperature. Okay, and if you can see here, we also have the zoom option. Okay, if you want to see here, zoom here, you can see the triangle marker. Zooming increases the scale, okay, which is not needed in this case. Okay, and you can also move back to the previous view. That is, this is the original view that it was. Then we have a legend added over here. Okay, we have the X labels and Y labels that we set. These are the titles. These are the titles. Okay, it did not have any X label for the upper one because then it was not necessary in the sense like we can say that X label is shared by both the plots like, because the X axis is shared by both the plots in a way. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.